Hello, dear students. Let us continue with the chapter The Living Organisms, Characteristics and Habitat. So, dear students, in today's class, we will be continuing with the characteristics of organism. So, let us take the next characteristics. Living organisms respond to stimulus. What do you mean by stimulus? A stimulus is a change to an organism environment that affects the activity of the organism. A response is any reaction of living thing to stimulus. All living organism shows response to the stimulus, which could be in change that can be internal or the external environment, such as temperature, light and sound. So let us learn them with the examples. The leaves of the touch me not plant gets folded. So let us see this. So you can see that the leaves get folded once it is touched. So what is this? This touching is the stimuli, and that is the curling or the folding of leaves is the response. So once you touch the leaves, it gets folded. So this is the response, right? Yes. So when you put a hot vessel or a hot water vessel on the stove, and when the water is boiled, once the water is boiled, you take that vessel and keep it down. So when you touch that vessel, how do you feel? It is hot or warm, right? How did you feel that? That is by the touch, right? Yes. So suppose you are working in kitchen and you didn't see that there is a hot vessel next to you. Then you touch it by mistakenly and you take out the hand because it is hot. What is that? Response, that reaction is the response, and stimulus is the burn. You burn it little, you get burnt, right? Yes. So this is one of the example of the touch. Okay, students? Yes. So the plant responds to something by touching it. It closes the leaves. So this is why it's called as touch me not plant. We can see with another example of plant responding to light and temperature. So plants responding to the light and temperature, first you need to take a small potted plant and place it near the window through which the sunlight can come in. And secondly, leave it for few days. Thirdly, what do you observe? You see that, or you notice that after a few days the plant has bent towards the window from the sunlight, from where the sunlight is coming, right? You can see the similarities between two photos, that is two pictures, right? Here you can see with a plant which is stood straight, and here you see the plant that is towards the light. So plant usually displays a positive response towards the light, which means they grow towards the light, towards the sources of light. So this response of plant towards light is known as phototropism. So did you understand how the response to stimuli is? Very good. So there are few examples related to human beings also. So when you're walking on the road, you see a sharp, you wouldn't have seen the sharp object and you would keep your leg on that sharp object. So as soon as it gets pricked, you take out your leg, right? Yes. How did you get to know? This is the reaction to your leg. You get to know this, like what is happening exactly. That is the reaction. That is the response to the stimulus. I hope you all have understood this. So only living organism responds to the stimulus. Okay, students? Yes. So let us continue this session in the next class. Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.